Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of My Bucket List Day. So this episode is going to be interesting. I'm going to be completely honest with you and kind of share with you some issues that I'm having. I'm not going to get into big detail, that's going to be coming up on another video, but just to let you know that we're not going to have the scheduled video today because of these issues. But before I jump into that, watch this intro and I'll be right back. Alright, so what kind of issues am I having? Well, as I mentioned, first off, I apologize. The video that was scheduled for today is postponed because of these issues that are causing me some grief. We were going to be visiting a RV dealer, I don't want to say dealer, an RV manufacturer up in Elkhart today. One that I think you guys have heard of, but has really delivered an incredible product out there, and I can't wait to share all of what I learned about them with you guys. But because of these issues, I was unable to do that. And what are those issues? Well, as you know, I got Mojo back from Grand Design. It was in there for a few weeks, and sorry, there's a bug crawling on me. And when I got it back, I've had some issues, specifically power issues. I'm not going to get into detail everything that's going on, but those issues have delayed me in getting the video scheduled for today out. And why is that? Well, I had to basically put together a makeshift thing, and there'll be video on that later, on keeping power on, or keeping my coach powered up. The issue I was having, without diving deep into it, is I can't maintain power on the rig. It kept going off. I had issues of things blowing. Can't do laundry. Can't run a lot of the appliances. Those types of things. So I am getting them resolved, and the folks responsible to help me is helping me out. But it's been an issue, so it has put me way behind on not only work, but also the video, among other things. Travel has come to a complete halt because I've got to wait for parts to get in, and then when they come in, I've got to have some technicians help me fix things and reinstall, all that kind of stuff. So that's the gist of it. Power has been an issue for me ever since I picked up my rig. So as I said, I'm going to get into a great amount of detail about this, what went out, what I had to do, how to repair it, and the heroes that got involved to help me out to get this all fixed, because it was kind of a major thing. So that's really all I've got for today. I apologize, the scheduled video is not here, but as you know, full disclosure with me, I don't pull any punches, and I don't keep things a secret. I let you guys know everything that's going on. I am sadly had to come back to Florida to get all this done for a myriad of reasons, and so I've been yo-yoed from Indiana back to Florida. Once I get all this resolved, I'm hopefully going to get back on the road and get back up north and finish my travels through the East Coast. So that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. Would appreciate it if you guys hit that like, subscribe, ring that little bell, let you know when I'm putting out another video. And love to hear your comments. And I should probably say the comments I had on the last video, it was a little mixed. Lippert, I felt, was a decent company, a very large company. I heard a lot of people out there saying their displeasure with Lippert and Lippert products. And I understand a few of them. But all in all, fairly good company. I was very impressed with what their capabilities were and what they did. So if you got any more comments on that, go ahead, comment about that as well, among other things. Well, thanks for watching, and make it a great bucket list day. Goodbye.